Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download Capcut here on PC. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now the first thing that we need to go ahead and do is to open our browser right here. Of course, you could go ahead and use any. And inside, just head over to google.com and we want to go ahead and search for Capcut. And then you will be able to see the search results right here from Capcut.com. Just go ahead and click this button right here, download for free, and then you will be able to see the download button. Just go ahead and click on the download for free button, and the file will automatically download into your computer. Right now, you just have to go ahead and select where you want the file to save. I'm just gonna go ahead and select my desktop, click on save, and then you will be able to see the Capcut file has been downloaded. Then in that way, you will be able to install Capcut into your computer. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and always thank you.